Does GoDaddy own WordPress? No, GoDaddy does not own WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system, CMS, owned and maintained by the WordPress Foundation, a nonprofit organization. 1. What is WordPress? Platform type: open source CMS ownership, managed by the WordPress Foundation. Founded by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little in 2003. Website: WordPress.org. Self-hosted. 2. GoDaddy's role with WordPress. While GoDaddy does not own WordPress, it partners with WordPress by offering WordPress hosting services. GoDaddy's WordPress hosting includes managed WordPress hosting, automatic updates, backups, and built-in security. One-click installation, easy setup for WordPress websites, premium themes and plugins, access to a wide range of WordPress themes and tools. Support services, 24/7 customer support for WordPress-related issues. 3. Difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.org, open source and free to download. Users need their own hosting, GoDaddy, Bluehost, etc. WordPress.com, a commercial platform owned by Automatic Inc., offering managed WordPress hosting with paid plans.